Accompanied by Governor Badaru Abubakar of Jigawa State, Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso is visiting the State House amid speculations on its possible defection from the governing party. Senator Kwankwaso met President Muhammadu Buhari alongside the national chairman of the APC, Adams Oshomole, behind closed doors for over 1 hour. Speaking to NTA News after the meeting, also attended by the governors of Zamfara, Kebbi, Borno and Ogun states, Senator Kwankwaso described it as fruitful.
We thank God that my friends, my former colleagues, governors, of course, came to me and we had some discussions with them. And now we had an opportunity to see President. And we had some useful discussions. That's all.
So you are remaining in the APC?
No, let's wait and see. A lot has to be done, really, to decide on what to do.
Like what?
No, keep on talking. You have to. Politics is a game of, discussion, agreement, disagreement, all sorts of things, and we're still on it.
For the national chairman of the APC, Adams Oshomole, Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso remains a critical stakeholder of the governing APC.
I think the issues he had are basically between him and his brother. I can almost call him his twin brother in the sense that the two of them had worked together for about 16 years. What the president has offered to do as a father is to remind the children that it's a family house that they need to, but Kwankwaso knows that he has no problem whatsoever. He has never had any problem whatsoever with Mr. President. So I think it was a good meeting, very good meeting. It's not about trade at all. He's a very prominent member of APC. He has never made a statement suggesting that he's thinking of leaving the APC. He helped him found the APC. He was a governor when he found the APC. He didn't come to APC because he was unemployed. APC didn't make him. He helped to make APC. And for people like Kwankwaso who have honor and integrity and dignity, they can't see themselves returning to a place they consciously left. So I have a lot of respect for him, and Kwankwaso, has a lot of respect for Mr. President, which he has always reaffirmed, whether in private conversation or in public conversation. And I think we just leave it at that. It's well. Nothing to worry about.
Senator Kwankwaso, now representing Kano Central in the National Assembly, was a two-term governor of Kano State as well as an APC presidential aspirant in the last general elections. From the State House, Adamu Sambu, NTA News.